Stroll through my city, I'm like a soldier. Keep the hustle in my city. Listen what I told ya.
Alright, so here we have my ECM hooked up with VATs deleted. I'm using the stock fuse box, save some money for now. My battery's hooked up. I do have the remote starter switch hooked up to the battery running to the starter. And in case you're wondering, it is the 6.0. In case people start saying, oh, it's probably the 5.3 since he has the 706 heads on it. Nope, 6.0, 706 heads, not the 317s. Get that shit right. I got the 92mm big body throttle body on it. And I got the TBSS intake hooked up to that. I did get the fuel pressure gauge hooked up to the fuel rail. That way I know how much PSI I'm always running to the fuel injectors. The pressure is run by my air compressor, and that goes straight up to my fuel injector cleaner. Got that online for 30-40 bucks. Pretty sweet deal. I'll leave a link on the comments or somewhere down below. That is getting fed, or the line goes up to the fuel line, and that is connected through the quick connect and a 6AN fitting. Just make sure there's no leaks. I had no problems with that. What else? I did have to get these spacers right here. They're brass fittings, 1/8 brass fittings. I bought these at Home Depot pretty cheap because the Dekas injectors are pretty tall. These are the 80-pound Dekas injectors, so those spacers worked out perfectly. I didn't have to buy anything else. I did have to get these Delphi to the EV1 fuel injector connectors because it wouldn't work with the stock harness, so that was easy. What else do we have here? I did get the aftermarket shorties hooked up with the single chamber performance mufflers, dual, one on each side. So now all we have to do to get power or to start the engine is hook up this A9 cable coming from the C1 connector. Just give it power. You can see right here, I'll tap it and you'll hear the relays come on. Hear the relays clicking on and off. So that's all we gotta do. Got the switch ready. I'm just gonna feed the power to the fuse boxes, or the fuse box.
He's snitching on you. He's saying you loud.
Might want to close the door. You scared?
I'm like a soldier. Keep the hustle in my city.